In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect Stripe with Webflow. If you're looking to seamlessly integrate a payment gateway into your Webflow project, you're in the right place. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have everything set up and ready to start accepting payments through Stripe. First things first, you'll need to navigate to webflow.com, open your preferred web browser, and type in the URL. Once you're on the Webflow homepage, make sure to log in if you haven't already. Having your credentials handy will save you time and ensure a smooth start to this process. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your projects. Go ahead and select the site you want to connect with Stripe by clicking on it. This will take you to the project's dashboard, where all the magic happens. Now that you're in your site's dashboard, look to the top left corner. You'll see an option labeled CMS. Click on it. This brings you to the content management system area of Webflow, where you can manage the dynamic content of your site. The CMS is a powerful tool within Webflow, and though it might seem a bit overwhelming if you're new, it's quite intuitive once you get the hang of it. Next, you'll want to focus on the e-commerce section. Here, you'll find a setup guide designed to help you with integrating various e-commerce features into your site. Click on the setup guide and it will walk you through the initial steps of configuring e-commerce settings. This guide is an excellent resource, especially if you're new to e-commerce on Webflow, as it provides a comprehensive overview of what you need to get started. As you scroll through the setup guide, keep an eye out for the section labeled Add Payment Provider. Click on it. This section is crucial because it's where you'll specify which payment method you want to use for your online transactions. Webflow supports multiple payment providers, but Stripe is a popular choice due to its robust features and ease of use. When you see the Stripe option, click Connect. You'll be prompted to log into your Stripe account or create a new one if you haven't done so yet. If you're setting up Stripe for the first time, you'll need to fill out some basic information about your business. Stripe will guide you through this process with clear instructions, ensuring that your account is set up correctly. Once you've completed this step, your Stripe account will be linked to your Webflow site, allowing you to accept payments seamlessly. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Stripe with Webflow. This integration will allow you to manage transactions directly through your Webflow site, making it easier for your customers to make purchases and for you to manage your online store. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to explore other features Webflow and Stripe offer to enhance your e-commerce experience. Thanks for watching and happy selling.